All right, here's truck one down the side. Front is the passenger side or the serving window side. Two serving windows, flavor station arm folds down. I'm gonna take it inside. Has this little rack in the back for storing syrups. It's all finished out, aluminum floor, cold plate freezer. Overhead has installed flavor dispensers that gravity feed down to the flavor arm on the outside of the truck behind that little panel. Inside serving windows, serving spigots that feed from here. This is an inverter setup and power panel. That's the inverter, solar charger, 3-compartment sink, hand wash sink, hot water heater, gray water storage, water pump is all underneath there. Comes with the shaver, your typical Chevy Express cargo van cab. Both trucks are the same. I'll do a video on the other one as well.